You guys, today I turned 3 years in marriage. I've been married to this Yoruba man for the past 3 years, and I've been giving him back-to-back fresh food. Like, Yoruba people need to come and dobale for me. It's not only them that they will be dobaling left for. They need to come and dobale for this Akwa Ibom lady. Anyways, I decided to make this Egusi soup for my Yoruba husband because why not, just to celebrate our 3 years in love. Hey guys, look at this soup. And yeah, you have to allow your egusi to cook very well if you don't want it to purge you. Allow it to cook and cook and cook until it becomes something sandy. You see how the thing is looking. Anyways, I added grilled Titus fish because I really want enough protein inside the soup, and that's me adding my vegetables like oziza and ugu leaf. I gave that a good mix, and the food already. I said, let me serve my man. Let me serve this Yoruba man, and he likes akpu. He used hot akpu to eat his own. You guys, if not me, now my pounded yam like something solid, but my husband loves akpu too much. Anyways, look at this, yum 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 yum. Tell me, let me know, would you be trying out my method of cooking egusi? This tasted so delicious, and not even one crumbs was left. Bye guys. Now wow, inside these 3 years, quarrel plenty past love, sha.